way home from church. I'm gonna get everything loaded up. The final things loaded up. Get on the road. Ready to go.
Gotta go get Tucker and get the cold food.
That's right.
Put it in the cooler, and everything else is in there. We double checked this morning.
Ready.
Even though I knew it was in there, I got Anthony to get it double checked. So anyway, but we'll be catching back up with you guys and letting you know where we're at. Talk to you later.
Down, baby.
Bye.
Hey guys, getting everything ready to go. And I'm going to start the motor home. I'm going to start her up. Didn't fail us yet. I don't think she'll fail us now. We're good to go, y'all. We're going to get a little lunch in us. I'm going to pack a few things up, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hi guys, just want to let you know where we're staying. We're on the what's called the Pickwick Lake Tailwaters. It's the Tennessee River just below Pickwick Dam, and we're in the TVA campground there. So not on the lakeside, but on the riverside. We plan to do a little fishing. We're going to do a little fishing on the lakeside. Hopefully in a couple days when the water settles down, because right now the river's close to the flood stage, so they have 6 gates open. Which means the water's pretty swift on the riverside. So probably Monday and Tuesday we'll be on the lake. Maybe Tuesday we can get on the river. It'll be back to normal. They're supposed to shut the gates off and let the lake fill up a little bit. So, but anyway, I just want to let you guys know where we were, where we are, we're staying. So we're having a good time so far. Weather's been fairly nice. Hasn't been real hot. So. Just we'll talk to you guys later. Hey everybody, it has been a good morning. We were able to catch a couple of fish. Almost three. I went off this morning and forgot the GoPro, so we had all planned out to get some good footage of the water of Pickwick Lake, but didn't work out today, but we'll get that tomorrow. Speaking of forgetting things, somebody, I won't say who, me, forgot to put the plug in the boat and didn't realize it until the trailer was parked, so we had to rush and get the plug in and get the trailer back out and drain the water. So it's been quite a morning, but we do have a couple fish. We're going to fry some fish this afternoon. We'll get you guys included in that. And right now Michelle is making us something to eat back there, And little Tucker, well, I'll just give you an idea of what little Tucker's doing. He is tired. He is tuckered out.